It's been 20 minutes since we've put it in the coffee. Let's see what it looks like. It's definitely darker than what it was. I don't necessarily want it darker. I want to see that color difference in the Hamon. There's some stuff happening in there. Great, I'm done experimenting with the coffee. We're going into some ferric chloride. It's been about 5 minutes. It got quite dark, similar to the coffee. Second dip. That's what I'm talking about. So if you want to see the final Hamon, watch the next video where we're making the hibaki. And step back, watch the rest of the series, like and follow.